So now the next text form field that we will create, as you guys know, it will be for the phone number. First, let me remove that code from here, and down in here below this password in here we will create that phone number text form field. So simply we will go right at top right in here and simply copy that text form field, that email one. Okay, copy it from here simply to this text form field. Let me show you one more time so that you guys just don't get confused in it. Simply copy that and go down below this text form field, that password one, in here, down in here, paste it. So this is going to be for the phone number. Control S, there we go with the phone number. Now we will add the size box, so there's going to be height between the password and the phone number. So for that, in here we will say size box and we will give the height 20 in here, comma. Now add the const modifier to this size box. Now just press the Control S and you guys will notice the output. There we go. Now the next thing we should do right in here, just to simply change that to the phone. So the keyboard type, and in there text input type will be phone. Now we will simply remove that email text controller and we will go right at top and create the text controller for the phone number. So simply copy that from here, copy it, and down below in here paste it. We will change that to the phone number. All good. Now we can simply go and use that. There we go with the phone number and text, and there we go with the controller. In here paste it. Now simply on editing complete we will simply change the focus to the next text form field that we will create. It is going to be simply for the location. So in here we will remove that focus node and we will go right at top and create the focus node for the location. So right in here simply copy that and in here paste it. Now we will change this to the position CP focus node. So we are done with the focus node. Let's copy it and go down. Right in here on editing complete, write in the phone number. Okay, in the request focus paste it, because that's going to be the next text form field that we will create. For now this is the phone and you guys know already. So we have successfully changed the focus and also the text input type to phone, and also change the controller and the hint text phone number, we also changed that. So now we will make a little change right in here. Whenever the user will enter the phone number right in here, it's gonna then assign that number to this value. So right inside that value we will contain the number of a user. So we will modify this if condition a little bit. So from here we will remove that, and in here we will say if the value will be empty, if there will be no phone number, then we will simply return some text, and it's gonna be this is the field is missing. So if there will be no phone number, then we will simply return that, and if there will be a number that the user will enter, then we will simply return the now, and all the thing is just fine. Now press the Ctrl S, just reload it, and in here now you can enter your phone number, anything you want, and there we go with it, working totally fine. Now the last text form field that we will create, it will be simply for the location, as I tell you. So let's go and do that. You guys know the whole story. What we will do, we will simply copy that text form field that we just created for the phone. Copy it from here. First, let me copy that size box, and we will come down in here below this text form field, we will paste it. So this is going to be the height between the phone number and the location that we are just about to create. So now simply copy that text form field to here, copy this, and below this size box right in here paste it. Now below this size box, as you guys can see right in here, now we will change that. So we will say company address or location. You can type anything in here. I'll go with the company address, Ctrl S, and there we go with the company address text form field. Now we will change something right in here. First, in here we will remove that phone, and we will go with the text. Also we will remove that controller, it was for phone, so we will delete that, and just go right at top, and we will create a controller for that right in here. Simply copy that first, and what we will do, simply right in here paste it. Now we will change this to the location control. Copy it, go down, and write in the company address in text, go right in here, paste it. So we are done with the controller. Now writing the on editing complete, whenever you will complete, it will simply change the focus, but this is the last text form field, as I tell you before. So we're gonna not change that position CP focus node, because this is the last text form field and we want the focus right in the end on this address. And if you guys want to create a multiple more text form field, then you guys will simply first create a focus node like I did before, and whenever you complete it, just use it in here in the request focus. Then it will simply right in the future to change the focus to the next text form field. So for now, this is my last text form field, and that's all. That's why right in here I didn't change the focus node. I'll go with this one, with the position CP focus node. So it's gonna just leave the focus on this company address, so that's fine. And right in here, whenever the user will enter the location right in here in the company address, it will simply send that address to this value, and in here we will check that value. If it's contain the address appropriate, then we will return the no, and if the address, the value is empty, then we will return that text, this field is missing. So all is fine, and the style, decoration, everything is just on point. So now just save the program, Ctrl S, and you guys can simply in here write the location for your company or anything. So in here I'll say America, California. So you can type in here anything according to your personal choice, working totally fine, and you guys can notice that. So that's it for this video. Right in the next video we will work further right from here. So see ya.